the Juku 3Doodler because you get to open a new part of your brain that is more artistic.
It's three-dimensional planes, so you can create things like models, stuff like that.
You can make an airplane, buildings, the Eiffel Tower.
I was able to make a pair of sunglasses, which I thought was pretty cool.
There are a lot of colors that come with the Juku 3D Doodle pen.
There's different types of filament you can use. This regular plastic that takes a little bit longer to dry, so you can move it around before it hardens. There's another one where it's easier to draw in the air.
There's a pen in the box, and it comes with the plastic.
A wrench to change the tips out, a ramrod to change out the filaments once you're done using it.
The pen can teach you about architecture. It involves a lot of mental focus.
And it's not based on computer programming, it's what you can do with your own hand.
Whatever you picture in your brain, you can draw it out. When I'm using it, I definitely feel like an artist.